Alright guys and girls, welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright, check it out. Today we got a 2008 Honda Odyssey and I am going to show you how to change your oil. That's right, me, non-mechanic 101, we're putting it together and going to show you guys how to change your oil on Pacific cars, because this is very important information that you must understand. And check out his channel in the link in the description below. Non-mechanic 101. Yeah, boy. Alright, let's get right to it. That's what's coming up on Astral Auto Repairs. This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com.
Hey guys, it's Shiloh Coon here from YouTube channel Shiloh Coon, and you're watching Astral Auto Repair. I got one question for you. Can you dig it?
Alright, here we go. Honda Odyssey lovers. The first thing we do, we're going to jack up the car from the driver's side. It's very important you jack it up from the driver's side. But before you do that, because it's front wheel drive, what you want to do is go inside and push on the emergency brakes. That emergency brake pedal right there. On and push on, push off, push it down. That locks the back brakes up. So when you're moving, when you jack it up, the car don't slide off the jack. And this will cost you more than an oil change. It'll cost you a hospital bill. Alright, under the Honda Odyssey, you're going to see a little point right there, that little metal part right there. Let's get a little closer, right there. That's where you want to set your jack at. So let's get our jack up onto that point. Get right inside the jack. Let's get it perfect in there. Yeah, there we go. Alright, let's jack this side up high enough so we can get up under it. And we're going to get us a jack stand. Alright, another important information coming up right after the break. Be right back. Alright guys, we got our jack up under there. And we look up under here. We got our jack stand in there. Now you notice that block of wood I got down there holding up our jack stand? That's because I'm in dirt right here. If you let that jack stand down on dirt, that jack stand will sink into the ground and you're going to kill yourself. So, make sure you have a good foundation for that jack stand. And for added security, leave your jack right there. Alright, the reason why you need to jack it up from the driver's side is because, let's get up under here with our poor man's creeper. This Target box, man, they good and comfortable. Alright, the oil drain is right here. Looking out from the vehicle. Go down, right side, right there. So now all the oil is draining towards this point right here, the lower side, and it'll drain right out. All right, let's go get our drain pan and socket and ratchet, and we'll be right back. All right, grab your cardboard, or your poor man's creeper, that's what I like to call it. Get our drain pan up under there. Let's slide up under there and see what kind of bolt this is. Okay, there it is right there. And let's see what size that is. Okay, we got a 17mm bolt here. So let's hook it up onto our 3/8 drive swivel ratchet. Get the pan out the way. And let's break this loose. What is that? You see that, guys? I wonder if that's just the molding, or is that a crack right there? You see that? There's a lot of glue on that thing. Huh. Huh. Oh yeah, look at that. They put some sealer right there and all. Cause somebody cracked that thing. That thing is leaking like crazy. We cannot do this. Cause this is gonna cause such a problem. Wow. Look at that mess. Okay. What I gotta do now, I gotta go talk to the customer because we gotta see what we're gonna do here. Be right back. Alright guys, after closer looking at it with a light, you can see that's just the casting in the block, and that looks like just you know, the stuff they put up there to let them know somebody took it out and all that. So we're gonna go ahead and take this out. So I got my 17 millimeter, and I'm gonna carefully loosen this up to see what happens. All right, there we go. Okay, it's coming out pretty good. Get this pan so it can drain out. All right, there we go. Man, that stuff is dirty. All right, let's let that drain out and we'll be right back. All right, guys, while that's draining out, you want to get you an oil filter wrench. I like this wrench better than all of them because I can adjust it to the small oil filters, or I can bring it back, slide it back for the big ones. This is cool. Now, this oil filter is little, so we're going to be bringing it all the way up to there. Let's get up under here, right where we was draining the oil. And our oil filter is right there. So let's go up here, grab our oil filter wrench, and you're going to turn that counterclockwise. So grab it up there, turn it counterclockwise. Once you loosen it up, make sure our pan is up under it. Move this over a little bit more, and we go ahead and take that oil filter out. Go all that nasty oil. Yeah, let that drain out a little bit. Ugh, yuck. Look at that oil, it's dark. All right, and at the same time, we're gonna get us some rags so we can clean all this up. All right, let's get our new oil filter and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we're ready. This is our funnel for put the oil in. Grab us some paper towels and grab our oil filter. Customer got a Napa oil filter here. Let's go up under here. Before we get all dirty, let's grab our paper towels. Let's clean up all this mess on the chassis. A lot of oil change places, they won't even do this for you. If it's your car, you know you'll take care of it. So clean that off. Make that chassis look brand new. Yeah, buddy. All right, the next thing you want to do, get you a little bit of motor oil. And you see the filter, this seal around there, you want to lube that up a little bit. So we take a little bit of clean oil, a little bit of dirty oil. Put it around the lip. That way, when you go to tighten this up, it won't bind up, crinkle or something, and cause you a major oil leak. All right, let's go back up in here. There he is right there. Now, a lot of times they tell you to put the oil filter on and tighten it up by hand. Do not do that. Even though that's the recommended way, do not do that, because I'm letting you know right now, guys, a lot of guys cannot tighten up that oil filter tight enough by hand, and the customer going down the street, the oil filter loosens up, come off the car, and the oil gonna be all over the place, then they're gonna blow the motor. Do not listen to the instructions when it tells you to do that. What you wanna do is put it as tight as you can by hand, and then you get your oil filter wrench, and you tighten it up even more. And you don't gotta go super crazy with this, but you want to make sure that thing does not walk off, because when I took this loose, I mean, it was very loose, coming off. All right, that's good. Now that's done, let's get our bolt, our oil drain bolt, put it back into place, and I'm gonna show you about tightening that up. Be right back. All right, let's get back up under here. We got our drain bolt. Let's put it into place. Now guys, this is important right here. This is aluminum. You will strip this thing out if you mess it up. So, when you go to tighten this up, dang it, tighten up my hand a little bit. You want to tighten it till it stops. And then snug it a little bit more. That's it. That is all. Do not strip that out or you're in trouble. All right, let's get out of here. Let the car down, and then we can start putting our oil in. We'll be right back. All right, guys, now we're ready to put the oil in. Now, the oil filler is right there. Kind of like difficult to get to and all that. So what I'm gonna do is take the top cover off. And the only thing we'll do is take this one screw right here, not even a screw, a little clip, turn it 90 degrees counterclockwise. The one on the other side, 90 degree counterclockwise. Pop that right off. That gives us more room to put the oil in. Okay, let's take off the cap. Let's get our oil filter. Our oil and our oil funnel. Be right back. All right, we got our filter. Our funnel. Let's put our funnel into place here. Twist that so it twists up under here. Yeah, so we can pour it in there. Nice and good. Then the customer got 5 quarts of Castrol 5W30. Now, even though the cap says 520, 530, a little bit more, a little bit thicker, slightly thicker, that's great because you definitely with an engine with a lot of miles. This has over 100-something thousand miles, so you definitely want to go with a little thicker oil and not so thick because the winter is about to come. So 5W30 is a-okay. All right, let's get our oil pulled in. Dang, ain't a gnat. Dang it. Be right back. All right, guys, we just put in 4.5 quarts. And what we're going to do is start the vehicle up, then check the oil. Your dipstick is where? Your dipstick is right there. So, let's get this started up. Looks like the car's been sitting a while, too. All right, we'll be right back. All right, guys, go over here. We're going to start the car up. Let the car run for about a good 10-15 seconds. We'll make sure no oil light comes on up there, nothing. Everything's good. Shut it off. Let it set for about a minute. Give it time for oil to drain down. Then we go over here to the dipstick. And we go check our oil. And you see where the... Let's get it like this, yeah. That line right there is the max. Don't go over that line, but definitely don't go below that line. All right, so let's put this in here. Check it. Oh yeah, perfect right there. Right there's a tad bit above that, but that's cool. That is cool. All right, oil change, well done. Let's put a sticker in the window. That's it. We'll be right back. All right, guys, now what we need to do is reset the oil reminder. And Sylvia is going to guide us to do that.
Okay, first, put your key in the on position where all your lights come on.
On your way like this?
No.
Okay.
And this knob right here. Okay. First of all, if you're, like, let's say you're... Just get a little closer so you can see the screen.
Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. Let me clean this screen off. Be right back. All right, here we go.
Stupid.
Dang it, man.
It's from the sun. Let's see if I do this.
Oh, yeah, that's better. This was better.
Okay, that's all they need to see. Right there. Okay, this knob right here. Okay, press it until you see the oil, change oil thing. Okay, right there it's blinking. So you're going to hold it. I see it said to hold it until it blinks, and it is blinking. So what's up with that? Okay, there it blinks. So let go and then hold it for 5 seconds. Or until you see 100. Oil light percentage, 100. That's it, you're done. You got it?
Yeah.
Watch it again if you don't.
All right. Now it's reset. Everything's good. That's the proper way of doing an oil change. We'll be right back.
All right, so that's how you do an oil change?
The proper way of doing an oil change. Yeah, boy.
That's he said that old man. Yeah, boy.
That's right.
So that's how you do an oil change on a 2008 Honda Odyssey. So if you guys have any comments or questions, you can post it below in the comment section, or you can email Timmy at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astro Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.